Hey there, crafty friends! Welcome back. Today, we're turning something old into something absolutely adorable. So let's get started. Got a pile of lonely single socks lying around? Don't toss them. We're going to transform them into something you've never seen. First, grab your sock and cut off the top part. Don't worry if the edges are a little messy. We'll fix that in a sec. Now, let's sew the open end shut. Use a simple running stitch to close it up. If you're new to sewing, don't stress. This is super easy and a great way to practice. Now turn it inside out. Time to stuff. Grab your cotton filling and start packing it in. Make sure it's nice and firm so your pins will stick in easily. Don't be shy. Really fill it up. Now, let's close the bottom. Fold the edges inward and sew it shut. You can use a ladder stitch for a seamless finish, or just a simple stitch if you're in a hurry. And just like that, we've got a pincushion. But wait, let's make it even cuter. Sew an elastic piece or a band so that you can wear it around your hand while sewing. Look at this little guy. Isn't he adorable? And guess what? You made it yourself. There you have it. A super easy, eco-friendly, and totally adorable pincushion made from an old sock. It's perfect for your sewing projects, and it's a great way to upcycle something you might have thrown away. Now we're going to transform this old worn-out bucket into a stylish and functional bin. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need: fabric scraps, or an old piece of cloth, leftover cardboard pieces, like from a cake box, scissors, glue gun, or fabric glue. Join the fabric pieces together according to the size of your bucket. Join them with the help of glue gun, or simply sew them together. First, let's give this bucket a makeover. Take your fabric and wrap it around the bucket. Make sure it's big enough to cover the entire outside. If it's too long, just trim the excess. Now, use your glue gun to secure the fabric in place. Start at the top edge and work your way down, smoothing out any wrinkles as you go. Don't worry if it's not perfect. This is all about giving it a fresh new look. Look at that! Already so much better, right? But we're not done yet. Next, let's cover the base. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it into a circle that fits the bottom of your bucket. Then, wrap it with fabric, just like we did with the bucket. Sew the fabric to the back of the cardboard, like I'm doing. Voila! A stylish base cover. Now, glue this fabric-covered base to the bottom of your bucket. This will give it a polished look and hide any scratches or stains. Time to make a lid! Cut another piece of cardboard into a circle slightly larger than the top of your bucket. Wrap it with fabric, just like we did with the base. Cover the base with paper or a piece of fabric. Look at this lid! It's not just functional, it's cute too. And there you have it, a brand new dirty sock storage bin. Place it in your laundry room, bedroom, or even by the front door to collect those pesky socks.